I've seen you in a movie, I heard you in a... Let me introduce you.
Hi guys, welcome back to another interesting video. If you are new here, welcome to this channel. Thank you for joining this family, and if you are an OG subscriber, thumbs up to you guys. In this video, I am going to be bathing my newborn baby for the very first time. My mother-in-law has been the one bathing the baby, but today I'm going to be trying it for the very first time, and I'm definitely going to be taking you guys along. So you guys keep watching. Let's enjoy this video together. Here is the hanky I'll be using to massage his body with hot water. Here is my kettle of hot water. Here is his soap. He uses black soap, and here is his sponge. Here is the water I'll be using. Here is his towel. Here is his baby oil, his shea butter. He uses shea butter to rub, and here is his menthol, his cotton bud. I use this one to clean his nose, clean his hair. Here is the comb we'll be using, and here is his outfit. Look at that cutie. Here is his outfit, and here is the socks he will be putting on. So let's get into business. Come on, baby. Odogu Yubado. Odogu Yubado. Yeah, let's bow. Let's get to business. Let's get to business. Oh, come on, baby. Odogu. Odogu. Today we are trying to undress baby boy. Hold on. Hey. So we are here. I'm trying to raise his buttocks. Hold on. I'm already sweating. No. Mothers in the building. I hope I'm getting past max. Look at my baby. Look at my baby boy. Look at my baby. Hello. Be typing right now. Let me know what mark I got. This is my first time trying. This is my first attempt. Share with me in the comment section. Let me know if I got it right. Let me know where I'm lacking, so as to at least learn more. This so far was what I learned from my mom and mom-in-law. So share with me in the comment section if I'm doing well. I want to know, Biko, just share with me. Let me know how I'm doing. Let me know if I'm making sense with this bathing. I sure know we'll use soap and sponge. We'll use water to clean it. I sure know. So share with me in the comment section if I'm getting it right. This is my first attempt. Oh my goodness, look at my baby boy. Oops. Baby boy is horrible. How are these people doing it? Like, oh. Share with me in the comment section though. Am I making you guys proud? Hey God. Hold on. I hope I'm trying. I hope I'm making sense. My first attempt. I'm not doing bad actually. I know. Because I've learned well. Oh. My mom does this a whole lot. So we are left with using hot water to massage. I actually don't know the aim of this water though. They said it will help strengthen the bone out of the baby. So let's just follow the normal traditional way. Sorry baby, sorry my darling. Sorry my darling. We usually fight at this hot water space. So we are done bathing. Share with me in the comment section if I got it right, if I tried. Share with me what mark you are giving me. Share with me. I would like to read from you. How was your first time? This is my own first try. So just share with me in the comment section. Thank you to them. You're saying thank you to them. They've heard. So thank you guys for watching, and I'm going to be seeing you in my next video. Bye guys.
I've seen you in a movie, I heard you in a song. Now I know that this will never go wrong. Like you already knew me, that's why